Hello, this is Del here again, and today I'm going to show you how to build this. We chose 3 swing and a slide system. That's Dad Jake back there and his neighbor, and Rain, my granddaughter. And so the neighbors got together and they decided to split the cost, so they saved a little money. But anyways, let me show you how we did it. All right, this is going to be our land site here, out at the back corner. We're setting up our materials, and we'll start doing some cutting. You can see here that there's a little groundhog family. This all used to be kudzu, and Jake cleared it with a hedgehog, and then you can see him scatter here when he sneezes. So you can go online and you can search images, as I mentioned before. Look for a particular model that you like. Download the diagram. They have dimensions. See here that like this particular model is you can Google NE5056. It's a Wrangler model, this particular one, and that'll give you the kit. So if you like a particular kit online, go online and get that. You can see here where I did the material list. I modified it for what I needed. I'd rather have a 6x6 beam. So I changed that. We added stairs instead of the rock climbing wall. So I added 2 stair stringers. And then we added the bags of saccrete. Most of them don't require saccrete, but we decided to put the saccrete in the ground because we're a little off level. We took the 2x6s, the 4x4 posts. We followed the instructions on this one with 46.5, but our ground is level where Jake and Chad are standing. It's not level. So it's about a 6-inch of fall, so we had to accommodate that, and we're going to do that with the posts here and go into the ground a little bit on one corner, and the other will be pretty much at ground level, but you can adjust that, make sure that the decking is going to be level when we stand it in position. So look through the instructions, pick out a unit that you like. This one's a box type frame with a beam and the A-frame, and then you can look at the dimensions. You can download anything you like and come up with the parts and build the box. We adjusted the height of the deck of what we want, and we're working on the A-frame now. All right, so we've now got the box in, and we're setting up the beam with the Swingset clips. We've got the A-frame stationed. We tried to get it level as best we could while we're getting ready to measure off the beam. It's a 16-foot beam, 6x6, so it's going to be 14-foot clear. There's going to be 3 swings in here, so that's a long span, and there'll be a little bit hanging off the end. We decided to put stairs in, and as I said earlier, we'll raise this platform up so the kids can do a little, I don't know, castle, a little fort underneath, and then they could take the steps up, and then we're going to put a slide here. Now everybody's out here. Okay, we finished up, set the beam in the box, and we finished up. We went ahead and I didn't take a video of the rafters being installed, but we put up 2x4s with a ridge rafter, a 2x6, and then we just put some OSB board. Now it calls on some of these designs just to put a flag or like a tarp on there. We chose just to go ahead and put some plywood and 2x4 rafters, and we'll put some shingles, roof shingles on here shortly.
Hey, Ray!
I'm not stepping on
What are you doing up there? Watch for that hole, Ray.
We got that slide for free.
You guys want to have a new swing set? That's what you want? Aliana, you want a new swing set? Yes, that's what we're getting ready to do. It goes. All right, so on this beam here, you can see we got the A-frame in here. This is different. We didn't order the kit, so we went and got our own design here. And what we did is we did a 12-inch bolt up through the brace. We braced the 2 attach the two A-frame 4x4s and put a 12-inch bolt up through with a metal angle. And you can find these at Home Depot, these pieces, and then bolt the top of it. That's what we did at this end, and we went ahead and put a lateral kicker here, a 4x4, and lag bolted them in. This attachment on top of the box beam is just a channel, a 6x6 channel support bracket, and we lag bolted it into the side of the beam. And that'll give you the strength and capacity you need. We went ahead and put the handrails up on the stairs here. Actually, this one here, Joanna, the neighbor, found this slide for free. Somebody online, she just requested it, and somebody said, hey, we just finished up and we're changing ours. Our kids are grown and we have this now for free. And we'll just come and get it. So we got, you know, a $200-300 slide we got for free. And that's how we did it. So we're finishing up here and just finished up putting in the brace beam and some other little final bolts and things like that. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit like and subscribe to Dell's channel, and we'll see you next time.